Every time you press the gas pedal, hundreds of tiny explosions happen inside your engine. These explosions create enough power to move a vehicle weighing over a ton. But how exactly does that happen? Let's take a journey inside a car engine and find out. The engine is the heart of a car. Its main job is to convert fuel into motion. By burning fuel inside its cylinders, the engine creates force. That force is then transformed into rotational energy, which eventually turns the wheels. Before we understand how the engine works, let's look at its key components. This is the cylinder. Inside the cylinder moves the piston. The piston is connected to the crankshaft through a connecting rod. The spark plug generates an electric spark. Intake and exhaust valves control the flow of air, fuel, and exhaust gases. Together, these parts create the engine's power. Most gasoline engines operate using a 4-stroke cycle. These 4 stages repeat thousands of times every minute. Let's examine each stage one by one. The first stage is called the intake stroke. Audio content produced by VB.VN. As the piston moves downward, it creates a vacuum inside the cylinder. The intake valve opens. Air mixed with fuel is drawn into the cylinder. Once the cylinder is filled, the intake valve closes. Next comes the compression stroke. The piston travels upward. Both valves stay closed. The air-fuel mixture is squeezed into a smaller space. This compression increases pressure and prepares the mixture for ignition. This is where the magic happens. At precisely the right moment, the spark plug creates a spark. The compressed air-fuel mixture ignites instantly. The combustion creates extremely high pressure. That pressure forces the piston downward with tremendous power. This is the stroke that actually produces energy for the vehicle. After combustion, the exhaust gases must be removed. The exhaust valve opens. The piston moves upward again. It pushes the burnt gases out through the exhaust system. The cylinder is now ready for a new cycle. Pistons move in a straight line. But the wheels need rotational motion. That's the job of the crankshaft. Audio content produced by VB.VN. The connecting rod transfers the piston's movement to the crankshaft. The crankshaft converts this up and down motion into smooth rotational power. Once rotational power is created, it travels through the transmission. The transmission adjusts the power and speed. The power then moves through the drivetrain and finally reaches the wheels. This is what makes the car move forward. Let's quickly review. First, air and fuel enter the cylinder. Second, the mixture is compressed. Third, a spark ignites the mixture